This is a video about how to withdraw our money from Exness broker, a really good trusted forex broker that is also the pioneer of unlimited leverage feature that will make you be able to trade with bigger lots even if your capital is tiny, super fast withdrawal, and a broker with best spread on its pro accounts. So if you guys don't have an Exness account yet, I highly recommend you to register at Exness right now. The registration link is in the description. And before the tutorial starts, make sure to hit that subscribe button, my boy. To withdraw your money from Exness, first please log in to your personal area, no matter whether through Exness app or website. And then choose which account that you want to withdraw the money from. Click the withdraw button. Pick a payment method that suits you best. No worry guys, because there are a lot of payment methods in Exness such as internet banking, virtual account, credit card, Kris, Bitcoin, Binance, USDT, USDC, StickPay, OVO, and Dana. But there might be different payment method availability for different countries. You can check what available in your country by yourself. Usually I use internet banking method like this. I want to withdraw $36.90. Continue. After that will appear a confirmation page showing our withdrawal details. Check carefully. If it's correct, click confirm. This is an OTP process. You can activate push notification or just use text code that will send to your email. Copy that code to this form. And the next confirmation is bank details, showing your bank account as a transfer destination from Exness. Make sure it's correct and click confirm. I finished sending the withdrawal request at 2:14 p.m. Please pay attention to the time because I want you to see how long we will wait until I get the money. And at 2:15, I got a bank notification. Means that the money is already sent to my bank account. And the waiting time from when I finished the form until I got the money was just 1 minute. It's also categorized as a fast withdrawal process, isn't it? Yes, of course. And that's how easy it is to withdraw money from Exness. And the process is so simple and super fast. Well, I hope this video is informative for you guys. And don't forget trading only with Exness, okay? The link is in the description. And make sure to subscribe to me guys. See you in the next video.